Go. Hello guys, I'm very happy because of your work. I have read your work. It is very good work. But you have a confusion about how to view the information from your codes, and maybe you have misunderstanding about this. I want you to show you how you have to do this work. As you can see, this is my codes. This is the same application I've given you. When I run my application, I want you to do this. Wait, it is coming. Yes, it is here. So this is my application. Let me try to maximize. Note here. Property. Medium. Yes. It is not coming. Let me increase the size. Here. Let me increase font. 28, no, 30 or 20. I hope you are seeing now. What I do, this is my menu. I have 12 menu, but remember I told you to do only few menu which is there on your header package. What I need you to do, you have a question about this menu, and you have not even displayed the all information you have in our database. There is no database, but let's call it database. You have not done this deposit. You have even to test if you can withdraw the amount from your bank. You will not do this. 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 But you can delete an account. Try if you can. You will not request for a check. You can even exit. What you will do, it is only this, and this. But if you are interested in this, you can even perform this task. For example, I'm going to press 1 to add a new customer in a bank. Let's press 1. As you can see here, they are telling me to input the first name of my customer. The first name of my customer, let's call it Panga. This is the last name. And remember here, you can put first name, address, gender, whatever you like. But remember here, you have also to give the client or a customer, you have to give him the account number. The account number we are going to give him, for example, let's choose 0004. Oh no, 04. This is the account number I'm going to register for this client called Pangail. After that, remember, when you are opening an account, you have to set the amount you are going to begin with. For example, I'm going to begin in 5,000. You have to set all of this here, yes? Then I press OK. Remember, you have to specify, is this account, it is saving account or it is current account. Let's say, for example, this is my saving account, yes? When you press enter, all of this, you have all of this information, you have inputted them through the keyboard. So what you are going to do, by the time you are going to press 2, it will do what? It will review all results you have. Let's press 2. I hope you are seeing this. By pressing 2, I have account number. Remember, maybe here I have made a mistake. I have said 004, but remember the 0 which is 0 which is before the number, the computer ignores that. I think you know that. Maybe we will try another way. What you are going to, this is my account number, it is 4. This is account holder. Are you seeing this? I'm sorry for that. Account holder, account type and balance and the interest. You will not calculate the interest you have on this account. This is view. This is how it displays. Remember the way we do this. Remember I taught you structure. This is a structure. Maybe I will show you how I did this. This is a structure. Another thing here, when you press 3, you will deposit. By deposit, remember customer with account 4. The customer with account 4, it is this. Yes? I'm going to deposit. On my 5K, I'm going to deposit 2K. Is it saving or credit? This is saving. Then I view. Are you seeing this? By the time I'm going to view, I remember I had 5K. I'm depositing. By the time I'm depositing, it is 7,140. This 140, it is counting the interest. The interest I have, it is 140 on 7K. But remember, I told you to leave this interest. I will teach you how to calculate this, but it is simple. If you, I know you can do that, you can calculate. This is like a guidance. I'm telling you how we do this. When you reach on withdraw, you will press 4. You can even withdraw the amount. For example, I'm going to withdraw the amount from this account number. I'm going to withdraw, I will press 4. By pressing 4, this is the account number I am going to withdraw. Let's say I'm going to withdraw 3,000. It was for saving account. By the time I will display, you can see this. It was 700 and 140. Now the current amount, the balance I have, it is this. The interest is still, it is this. I still have my interest. What to do? I think it is how to check balance. This is search. For example, you can search by balance, search by name. You can, another thing, you will delete the account. Yes? But you can do this if you want to do this. It is there in your holiday package. All of this project is there. I think I have answered your question. The problem you have when you press 1 to add a new account. Here you can add, for example, let me add another account. I'm going to add, for example, Carno, it's the first name. Rari, it's the second name. I'm going to add account number. Let's say, for example, account number it is 100. Balance of account you are going to start with. The balance of account you are going to start with, for example, let's say it is 3,000. Let me take it to 1,000. You know you are a student, you don't have much money. Account type, let's say you can call it saving account or credit account. By the time I will display the all, I hope you can see that I have all of this. So by the time I'm going to deposit, I will press 3. So I can deposit to any account number. I think this is. I hope you have done this menu. Remember, I told you to do only 4, but you can even add more. This is, remember, you will do, I have several functions. You will use functions, remember the concept of functions, remember the concept of structures, remember the concept of array. All of them you will need to use them. This is the function. As you can see, this function, it is called new uncount. This function, what is it is doing? It is adding new uncounts. You can do many. It is adding uncount name, first name, last name, uncount number, uncount balance. You can even put location. You can put any much as you want. So this is the function which is doing that job. This function, its job is to display view results. Its job is to display. What am I displaying? I'm displaying. Remember to display. Because I have used the loop in my program. By displaying, I'm also going to use a loop. This is the uncount number, uncount holder. This is /t. Remember /t. It leaves a space between it leaves a space between your codes. Uncount number, uncount holder, uncount type balance, interest, and I'm displaying the uncount number. I think you can see this. This is deposit. By deposit, the function I'm using it is this. It is starting from here, and it is ending from here. This is deposit. When you are going to deposit account, what you have to do, you have first to input the account number. You are going to deposit. You deposit the amount, and then you specify if it is saving or current. I hope you have seen everything. Maybe I can stop. If you have any problem, please let me know. Thank you.
Sì,